Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this WAHL beard trimmer, and we're gonna check this thing out. Could use a trim. I think there's pieces of plastic on it flying, we'll see. So it comes with a little comb. We have a little brush to clean it out. We have some oil. I think this is the oil for the trimmer. Here, okay, we have. So here's the device here. We have and then we have a bunch of different little combs that have different sizes to them. So I know it said it needed a battery, so let's see, where do we put the batteries in? Here, it's gonna take 2 AA's. So this one will go there. This one will go there. And there it buzzes. So let's see what these different numbers are. We have a 1. Oh, actually, I don't know what they are. Oh, they have little dashes on them. So there's a 1, 2, 3, and I'm guessing this is something else. This is a big long one. So this, and the way they go on, so if I was to put on, let's say a 3, it goes on like this. So you put the little piece in there, I guess, and then it clips in. So now it's ready to cut at that length, which is really long. My beard's not anywhere near that long, but I'm gonna go give it a try. Looks good to me. Sweet.